It's Friday 11th of April, and for this week's Minidisc update, we've got some big things and some little things. So the first big thing is that we have the Abyss JOAL now installed for demo. So come in, have a listen, let us know what you think. This week we also received several acoustic chamber modules from Acoustune. As I mentioned in a previous video, these are interchangeable modules that let you change out the driver and the driver housing on Acoustune HS2000 MX series IEMs. So what's cool about this system is that there's this whole range of different modules with different tunings. They're very simple to swap and they fit very securely. So if you have a HS2000 MX series IEM, then this is a fun way to try out different flavors of sound. Out of all the modules, my pick of the bunch is the ACT06. So if you have the HS2000 MX series Mark III IEM with the stock ACT47 module, compared to that module, the ACT06 sounds warmer with richer lower mid-range and a bit more of a crispy treble texture. The stock module, the ACT47, sounds a lot more glossy, more scooped in the mids in comparison. So if I had both of these modules, then I would use the 06 for acoustic and jazz music and classical, and for the ACT47, I'd use that for electronic and pop, and I'd be very happy with that combination of the two modules. The last little thing we got this week is this. This little guy is the new HiBy FC5, which has been updated with a display. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of design flair. In the purple color, it looks a bit like a baby Evangelion R4. And at this price point, the full color OLED display is a bit of a highlight. The new FC5 puts out up to 125 milliwatts of output power on single-ended connections and 245 milliwatts of output power on 4.4 balanced. So it's not earth-shattering levels of power, but it will comfortably drive a huge range of headphones. Sound from the FC5 is typically HiBy, so that means it's solidly neutral with very clean output and a very low noise floor. Funny enough, one of my favorite aspects of the FC5 is that it's super easy to change between gain modes. You don't have to long press any buttons or wait for any menu timeouts. And if you've used a lot of USB DACs, you start to really appreciate these little quality of life differences. I gotta say, I really like this kind of product. It's not some kind of exotic DAC, but it sounds good, it works well, and it's a good price. Anyway, come in, have a listen, let us know what you think. This is Lachlan for Minidisc TV, and we'll see you next week.